Now SOP full form is sum of product and POS full form is products of sum. Okay, by the name we can say these are the products. Okay, and we are summing, nothing but sum of products SOP, and these are sums. Okay, we are producting, right? Nothing but products of sum or POS. In other language these are also known as product. Means in the digital we are going to write in the form of ands, right? Ands, or in the ands, nothing but, and this is also called the, this is sums are ors, right? Anding the ors. Products is nothing but anding, sum is nothing but oring, like oring the ands. Okay, sorry, anding the ors, oring the ands. Name anything. Okay, the concept is simple, SOP and POS. Okay, now let us move to the second point. So SOP is function of 1, it is a 1 function, and opposite is 0, right? And POS is 0 function. And y means here, see, normally we are writing in the form of 1. A tick is nothing but a bar. Okay, a bar we are writing in the form of 0. A is represents as 1, a bar as 0 here. Here opposite, so it is a 0 function, right? A is represent as 0, in the opposite case a bar as 1. Now with the representation let us make one example with these two things, like SOP and with this function 0 0 comma 0 1, right? 0 0 comma 0 1, 0 0 in the terms of AB. Okay, let us use variables as AB. Like 0 0 means here 0 we will write in the terms of bar, like a bar, b bar plus a bar b. Okay, this is the standard way of representing the in terms of SOP. Now with the same thing let us do with the POS and POS function. Here 0 0 means directly a plus b. Here you need to convert into place, here you need to convert into dot or multiplication. This thing you need to convert into place, here this thing you need to convert into like dot, reverse. Okay, POS and SOP, these are the a complete brief structure regarding the SOP. Now what are minterms, what are maxterms? So SOP, minterms are nothing but SOP, maxterms are nothing but POS. Okay, now this is a R truth table. Okay, like I have taken AB and function as R, like nothing but a dot b. So when we consider like this, like minterms are represented with small m, represents with small m, and it is a function of 1, and it is represented with capital M and function of zeros. Okay, now we know that 0, like 0 plus, sorry, it is a plus, right? 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1. So I know, I hope you all know about the R truth table. So now let us write this minterms maxterms into the, let us convert it to the SOP and POS. Now it is denoted with summation of small m, and it is denoted with pi capital M. Okay, it is a good practice to mention small m and capital M as a suffixes. Okay, now let us see the question with this. Like we need to make into the SOP and POS, so I am keeping up to here. So summation of m, so it is a function of 1, it is a function of 0, right? So let us see only SOP, it is a function of 1. Okay, So we need to take these three terms. This three terms is nothing but 1, 2, 3. Okay, nothing but small m1, m2, m3, and m1 we can write it as 0, 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, now convert into the variable format. Convert into the variable format. Then it will convert into like this. Like wherever we will get the 0, we need to keep it as bar, and we need to do like this, like a bar b plus a b bar plus a b. Now same thing, let us see with the POS. Now POS is represented in terms of max terms. Max terms denotes with pi capital M. Okay, now it is a function of 0, right? So it is a function of 0. Okay, write 0, capital M 0. It is in the form of 0, 0, right? Convert to the variable format. So here we will get the place, and whatever the extra terms we will get in the terms of like and. Okay, in the terms of and we will get like nothing but product of sums. So I hope you got the idea on minterms and maxterms. So what is this thing? Okay, so POS and SOP is quite opposite. Okay, so whatever the terms left here, it will present in POS. Whatever the terms left here, it will present in SOP. Okay, now let us move into the question section. Now our first question is represent f of a comma b which is equals to a bar plus b bar in SOP and POS form, and find minterms and maxterms. So there is a trick also, I will show in the last question. Till now we are doing with the standard way. Now to convert this to SOP and POS, we need one thing. Okay, that is nothing but canonical form. We need to learn one concept, canonical form. Every term must contain each and every variable. See, when we take a bar b bar, here we are left over with b term, here we left over with a term. Okay, we need to apply those terms. So if we apply complete terms, then it is called a canonical form. Now this is known as the standard way or simplified form. Okay, anything you can use, this is the standard form. To the standard form, when we apply the canonical form for the SOP, for SOP only, we need to write like this. We need to multiply with the leftover term is b, right? Like b plus b bar. If we simplify this, like a plus of b plus b, sorry, a of b plus b bar, it is like b plus b bar. One identity we have, right? It is like 1, a into 1, which is like 1. There is no effect. Okay, same way here we left over with a term, right? Like a plus a bar into b bar. Okay, be careful with the bars. Okay, sometimes you will miss in the bars also. Okay, now multiply with the inner things. Okay, when we multiply, we will get this. When we multiply to this, we will get like this. Now here a bar b is a single term, we written a bar b bar repeated 2 times, we are writing in the one term only. Okay, now a into b bar is nothing but the SOP form we achieved. Now let us convert it, let us find the minterms. Okay, from this, for minterms, try to write into the in the form of like 0 ones. Now a bar is nothing but 0, right? B is 1, like a bar b bar 0 0, a b bar means 1 0, nothing but 0 1. See in the truth table, 0 1 is 1, like nothing but a small m1 we can also write like this, like small m1 plus m0 plus small m2. I am written in the short form like 1 plus 0 plus 2, nothing but arrange in ascending order like 0 1 2. Now minterms is denoted with the summation of small m, like m0 m1 m2 bracket 0 1 2. Okay, this is nothing but the we are finding the SOP form and minterms. Okay, now same way here the leftover is like 0 1 2, right? 0 1 2, the leftover is 3. We need to get in the POS. Okay, now let us see the POS. Okay, POS a bar b bar, right? A bar plus b bar. The canonical form here we need to write with, like, you need to sum with b plus b bar. Okay, this is the two terms, two different section. This section is a bar plus b into b bar. I'm exploring this, like a plus b into b bar, nothing but is at 0. A plus 0 will be the a, nothing but we are left over this term. Same way, if we done again all those things, we will get only b bar. Now here this is the two terms, right? Now with the same terms, apply distributive law. I hope you have idea on distributive law. Okay, like you need to take into here, you need to take pluses. Okay, like a bar plus b into a bar plus b bar. Same way we need to take multiplication here, right? Like a bar plus b bar into a bar plus b bar. Okay, now while seeing this, you can say that these two have common terms, like a bar plus b bar. Take it as common and remaining right in this way, then you will get the 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 will be the results as 1. We are left over with a bar plus b bar. A bar plus b bar, here bars we will write in the terms of 1 1. Now let us move into the next question. See, the leftover we get the 3.